Welcome back to Catalyst University. My name is Kevin Tokoph. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for future videos and notifications. In this video, we're going to learn how to calculate the volume of a cone. And what we're going to see in just a minute, this formula is very similar to the volume of a cylinder, except we're going to be multiplying out by 1/3 in front of it. Now, here's a cone shown over here on the left. The base of all cones are circles. And so this cone has a circle with radius r. You need to know the radius, and if you're not given the radius, you would have to be given the diameter and calculate the radius from that. Also, the cone is going to have some height. A good example of a cone is an ice cream cone or one of those birthday party hats that you probably wore as a kid. Maybe you still wear them or you get them for your kids, but those are cones. You could have the birthday hat on your head. Every cone has a circular base. Here's our red circle right here. It has a radius r. And if you're not given the radius, you would need to be given the diameter or whatever. Okay? And then also the cone from the center of the circle up has a height h to the point that it terminates up here at the top. And so to do this calculation, we need to know the formula, the height of the cone, and the radius of the circle, which is the base of the cone. Now, if this were a cylinder, the volume would be given as pi r squared times the height. For a cone, it's the same thing, except we have to multiply out in front by 1/3, or you could think of it as dividing by 3. Okay? So in this problem, our cone has a radius of 3 meters and a height of 10 meters. So this is a very large cone. Now, notice in this case, it does not give us the diameter, it straight up gave us the radius. If it gave us the diameter, that would have to be 6 meters because the diameter is double the radius. That's beside the point, just a little bit of extra things to help you. Our radius is 3, height is 10, so we can go ahead and plug numbers into this formula. So the volume of a cone, which is always 1/3 times pi, times the radius squared, 3 squared, times the height, which is 10. Again, 3 squared is 9, so in here we can have 9 pi times 10. Of course, 10 times 9 is 90, divided by 3 is 30, or 90 times 1/3 is 30 pi cubic meters or meters cubed. And again, this is a volume, so the units have to be cubic. Since our linear units are meter, our cubic units are going to be meters cubed. And we're going to have 30 pi here. So this is a very large cone given the units. But that's how you calculate the volume of a cone. You assume it's a cylinder at first and then multiply by 1/3. So 1/3 times pi r squared times the height. Hopefully that makes sense. It's a pretty straightforward formula. Please make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for future videos and notifications. Thank you very much.